What's up guys? So you have heard of foldable phones so far, but what about foldable projectors? So meet the world's first tri-fold or foldable projector. It's called Aurzen ZIP foldable projector. The sides are of metal and I think these parts are of plastic. This one is again metal and with a magnetic base, I think. And by default, when you're not using it, you fold it up and it becomes very compact. You can easily take it anywhere. And not only that they have made it compact, it has many other features, like it has a built-in battery of 5000 mAh. These buttons are clickable and it is totally wireless. Connect with either a laptop or your mobile phone. You don't need any kind of wire. It has a single Type-C port which you will use either for 24-watt fast charging, or you will use it for updating it because it also supports software updates. But overall, it's really good design. It's premium design. It has dual speakers. On this side, you have two button to increase or decrease brightness. 1.5 hours of claimed battery life. I also ordered a bunch of other accessories. So for example, it's vacuum type design stand. This is for connecting it to Windows. You can insert it. It is an HDMI, wireless HDMI. You can also use the Type-C port if you have that on your laptop. And another thing that I ordered is this hard shell case, Bluetooth 5.0 connection, so you can pair it with a wireless speaker if you don't like these speakers. And it has a true 100 lumens brightness, so even in a dim lit room it works fine. It has a time of flight autofocus sensor. It has 720p screen which is called HD. Another thing that it has, if you do it like this, it gives you full vertical view of the screen instead of a cutoff. For example, for TikTok videos. Buttons wise, you have these touch buttons control different settings. You also have this volume button just like mobile phone, and this on off button and a light indicator. It is on and it is projecting. It automatically gives you a guide like how to connect it, but first let me show it here. So for example, if I want to connect it to my phone, which is an iPhone, then let's go, just do nothing complicated, just click option and you should be able to see zip projector here in a bit. See, you already see it, and as soon as you press it, it will automatically start showing the screen. See, and if you go to the, for example, Android phone, I have a Samsung phone. Let's move to the, in this you will, and Samsung phone, it's called Smart View. It's not Google Cast, but I think on other phones you should see it as a Google Cast. So if everything is fine, you should be able to see it. See, so you see it as an Aurzen ZIP, and in a bit it should connect. See, it is here. All right, it is in low brightness mode. I'm going to increase its brightness to high. This is its high brightness mode, and even in low brightness mode, you are able to see it clearly. As you increase the brightness level, the fan noise also increases, and also the battery consumption. So you need to keep that in mind. But you can easily give it power from a power bank, so because it is a Type-C, so I don't think battery life should be an issue as long as you have a power bank with you, which I do have. So let's start our testing. First, I am going to connect it to an Android phone. So I have connected it to an Android phone. Let's play a video. As soon as you go in full screen, it also goes in full screen. What's up guys, today we are taking a detailed look at the screen, a transparent digital display that sits somewhere between a smart desk accessory, a futuristic photo frame, and a customizable data dashboard. The sound is decent, but not something that you would like to listen with a movie or for songs. So that's why they have given you the capability to connect it to a Bluetooth speaker. So let's connect it to a Bluetooth speaker. Pressing the OK button brings up settings. Then the arrow buttons on top of the projector give you control. Pressing OK, Bluetooth is on, and you should be able to see the speaker. So Tribit X Sound 2 Plus. All right, let's connect it. And as you can see, it has connected to the speaker successfully. Now let's exit the settings and then play the video. System settings, etc. The UI on the device is surprisingly well designed. Instead of basic menus, everything is laid out. Now the sound is coming from the speaker. Work perfectly with the knobs. It feels intentional and well thought. The frame stands firmly on a table with rubber feet at the bottom. Now let's test out the iPhone connection, and we are in the iPhone mode. Let's play a video.
You could not live with your own failure. Where has it brought you back to me?
What's up guys? So check this out. So by default, when you open a vertical video, it looks like this, and you can see the left and right parts have a brightness, but they are blank. So it is not taking full screen. And now let's take it and do it like this, and there you go. Now you have a full vertical. This is very cool feature. I haven't seen it on any other projector, and now you have a full view and there is no left or right extra brightness, and I really love it. Let's play it. And if you bring it back, put it like normal, it becomes normal. Way to connect the Mac is very simple. It is same as you have the iPhone. You just go to the screen mirroring options and select ZIP Projector. It initially asks you for a code, but once you have entered it, then it will show you the screen itself. The lights are on, so you may not see it. Let's connect it to Windows. I have this HDMI dongle, and then I'm going to connect it to Windows. They give you the instruction that you need to press Win P/key. So let's do that. It shows you the screen. I have pressed. There you go. You have the Windows screen as well. So that's how you connect the boards. I have shown you Windows plus Mac both connections. Overall, in my views, this is a really unique, first of its kind device that they have made. It's so compact, even many big ones, like bulky ones, don't have these kind of specs and cleanliness and this kind of solid design and complete wireless with a built-in battery and everything, the buttons and software updates. So they have tried to embed as much tech into it as much possible. It is $400 just this projector. Then you need to buy this one separately. It is $100, and I think these are $40. So the whole package cost will cost you around $600, and so not cheap. But to get this kind of technology and this type of projector, I think it deserves its price, and anyone who will appreciate its design will not worry about the price. I have tested it for months and I have been really happy with it. I haven't found any issue, and in fact some of my family members really liked it and they immediately wanted to buy it from me. So someone has already claimed it from me because he liked it so much. So it's really good design, it's a really unique idea, and I am happy that it exists. And if you have the money, don't hesitate to buy it. Anyway, let me know about your feedback. Take care of yourself.